Hello Bladers. Upgrading your car has never been easier because of Blade. Since they offer tons of accessories that are sure to make your ride super dope. From speakers to car seats, you'll be wondering why you never went and pimped your ride sooner. Wondering which pieces to get? We recommend these products to you. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Pimp your ride with these accessories from Blade. Number 1. Blade steering wheel. Number 2. Blade rear view mirror with full HD dashcam. Number 3. Sparko racing backrest. Number 4. Pioneer TSC65CH 6.5 two-way component system. Number 5. Philips Xtremavision car headlight bulb. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.